I run a Shopify store and organic content is my entire marketing. But posting by hand every day, everywhere is just brutal. So I stopped upping them. I haven't touched TikTok, IG, Facebook in months. Yet my store still posts every single day without me having to do them manually. And no, I haven't hired an agency to do for me. Our social media manager, it's just one tool connected to Claude, and it automates my entire content distribution. One distribution machine, and it fires everywhere at once. This is a content OS idea, but for your store. So here's how the distribution machine look like. So you have your content OS, or rather your e-commerce OS connected to Claude, and then you connect that to Higgsfield, and then it connect to this platform, and this platform connect to all your social media accounts. By the way, if you don't know this ecom OS yet, we have created this ecom OS in the last couple of videos, which is just a folder on your laptop with all your store context, your products, the tool you are using, the skills, etc. We have created in the last couple of videos, which is here. This was the full e-commerce operating system we have built. So first of all, we created the folder, we have connected them to tools, we add the skills, we created customer support agent, voice agent, but I have realized there's one thing missing, and that is organic content or distribution for our organic content. You know how painful it is to open your TikTok, Facebook, and IG to post your videos one by one. So I have built this distribution machine. We connect all of these tools to this one platform and get the API or MCP to this platform. I'll connect that to Claude, and we create the video with UGC, and we create the UGC video with Higgsfield, which Claude is going to prompt Higgsfield to create the UGC video and then schedule them into this platform. So here's how the workflow look like. We open our ecom OS with Claude, and then we connect Claude, the Higgsfield, and we prompt Claude, create UGC video for this product. Your product should be already live inside with all the research, all the copy, and then Claude is going to download the video into your ecom OS again, and we get the API of this platform, which is just a social media API for developer and AI agent. For now, just delete this developer and leave social media for AI agents. So it's a unified media messaging API, post, schedule, message, and engage across 15 platforms with one call. You can post to all of these platforms. And the best part is you could start with free. You have 2 accounts, and then after that is a usage base per account. So we have MCP and we have API. We get the API of this platform and we give it to Claude, and then we connect all our social media platform to this platform, and then we schedule our post here in this platform, and this platform will handle the scheduling into all of these social media. So this platform called Zernio, when I click on this platform, Zernio.com, I will land here. As you can see, social media and messaging API for developer and AI agent. So you have the platforms, these are the platforms you could connect. You have your social media, you have your messaging app, and you have your ad account, Meta ad, Google ad, TikTok ad, etc. So when I log in with my Gmail, I will see this dashboard here. I have these platforms are connected: Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, Twitter, previously known as X, and then we have YouTube. These are my personal account, and the best thing is this analytic tab. You will see the analytic of all the platforms at one clean dashboard. So you will see post per platform, post over time, and then you will see likes per platform, likes over time, engagement over time, and then you will see the best time to post, and then the follower evolution, and then you have platform breakdown. So this is the analytic tab. You could also see the engagement, the total reach, total follow you have. This is my personal account. And then you have the post tab here, where you see all your scheduled posts. For example, this post is scheduled to all of these platforms: Facebook, LinkedIn, X, and TikTok. So when I click inside, I will see the video is scheduled to all of these platforms. I could include or exclude platform and just click update the post. But we are not going to do this manually. We are going to get the API key and give that API key to Claude and ask Claude, hey, post this video to all my social media platforms. So this is my personal account. Let's just log in into my Rapio account or my store account and see how it's looked like from there. So this is my Rapio account. As you can see, Rapio Collective Facebook, Rapio Collective IG, Rapio Collective TikTok. I have 3 accounts. If you have more than 3 accounts, you could connect. Just add new connection. Is very easy, and just click new, and this tab will open with you. Just add your account and then add the account you want. For example, YouTube. Just select all, and there you go. I have connected my YouTube as well. So this is how easy it is to connect. Just click connection and then click connect the tool you want to connect. Even you have your ad account, you connect your ad account and see all your ad creative Now I have all my social media connected into one platform. Since I don't have any posts scheduled, I could see my analytic, so I could filter them by date. And I also have this thing called inbox, which you could see all the message, all the comment on all social media platforms. So here's today's video agenda. We are going to go over this list in a real quick way. We connect every platform to one hub, which is Zernio, and then we plug in the API into Claude, and we sit inside Claude and create our video with Higgsfield, and then from Higgsfield the video will be scheduled here. So this is how the workflow looks like. You sit inside Claude, connect to Zernio, and then connect all your social media to Zernio, and then your video will be posted to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, etc., etc. So let me just stop yapping and actually get the API key of this platform and then give it to Claude. So to get the API key, just come to API key and then create new API key, name it something like ecommerce and leave it read and write, not read only. If you leave it read only, the AI of Claude won't be able to post or schedule videos. So leave it read and then create the key. Here's your key, copy this key, and then open your ecommerce folder. So this is my content operating system from inside. I'm going to post these 3 videos. I'm going to schedule them with you right now. I'm just going to paste this here. So this is our local environment file. So from here, type this down, Zernio API equal to, and then paste that API key here. And just click save, and you are pretty much good to go. So what we have done now, we have just connect Claude to this platform called Zernio. If you want to verify the connection, just ask Claude, hey, do you see all my social media accounts inside Zernio? So the platform came back with the answer. It says you have 4 accounts connected, which is Facebook, Rabia Collective, Instagram, Rabia Collective, and TikTok and YouTube. So I'm just going to give it this prompt. I have a ready prompt here. I want to schedule these 3 UGC videos, which is these 3 videos, to all of these platforms. So I'm going to hit enter and just going to bypass permission and give effort high. So the videos will be scheduled just in a second. I'm going to open this platform tab and go under post. For right now, there's no post schedule at all. So I'm just going to wait. So first of all, it went and found the videos, like 3 videos, 15-second vertical videos. And then it's identified the video where Higgsfield AI generated video, and then it's still cooking. It's going to add this video into that platform, and that platform is going to handle the scheduling. So it even write out the captions here. So you have the caption for video 1, caption for video 2, and then caption for video 3. So by the way, if you want to set up this ecom folder or ecom automation for your store, just come to my free school community AIOL, come to classrooms, and then inside classroom, ecomOS. Go inside and you will see ecomOS. Download this folder and plug it into your store. And if you don't like the headache of technical setup, just come to Mizan AI, look at ecomOS, book a free call, and we'll discover how to deploy this agent into your store. See you there. So as you can see, the video was scheduled to all of these platforms with just a click of a button. So the video was scheduled into IG, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. So when I click inside this video, I could include or exclude a platform. I could change the caption or the content. I could change the date. I could post now. I could queue it. I could draft it, etc., etc. So these are the setting you could control it from here, or you could control it from inside your content OS operating system inside the folder inside Claude. So
Mushroom coffee. I expected mushroom water, but this is actual medium roast coffee from Brazil and Mexico. Dark chocolate, nutty, full-bodied, no mushroom taste. The mushrooms are in the formula, not the flavor.
So these were video now scheduled. Now everything will be perfectly at the same time at the exact moment to all our social media platforms without us have to open a separate tab for each one of them. What I have done now is I have 3 videos with 1 prompt. I schedule them to all these platforms with just a click of a button. So now you have your video going everywhere. So your DMs and your comments as well is coming from everywhere. And you need to handle that with automation as well. So in the next video, we are going to go really quick about inbox management and comment management. So we are going to create a workflow that reply to inbound DMs and comment. So, and even we have something called campaign. We could turn a comment into a DM. If a customer comment in our post, we could DM them directly with these automations. So that is a topic for the next video. So I have here for Instagram and Facebook, This is already working right now. So you could see the graph. It's very basic and it's very simple. So you have trigger any inbound message, and AI is going to reason whether success is going to reply, error is going to send us a notification message. So you could control the AI provider, Anthropic OpenAI, and the model, and you have the system prompt and the message outside, etc., etc. So this is a topic for the next video. So stay tuned and subscribe. Peace.